At ReAgent, we can manufacture ultra-pure water in any volume you require, from small containers and 1,000-litre IBCs to 25,000-litre road tankers. We can also flex and scale to your needs. The starting material for ultra-pure water is potable water. We hold 16,000 litres of potable water in stock, and our first step in making it into ultra-pure water is to use a pre-filter to remove suspended debris. The water is then demineralised through a twin-bed deioniser. This system uses both anionic and cationic resins to remove contaminants. This water continuously goes through ultraviolet sterilisation and is filtered through a 0.2 micron filter, effectively removing minuscule particles and bacteria. The water then undergoes further testing to a higher specification, making it ultra-pure water of an extremely high standard. All our ultra-pure water meets strict quality, health and safety regulations. ReAgent has multiple ISO quality accreditations, and our ultra-pure water undergoes quality testing, so you get consistent purity and safety. If you want to join the global companies that buy ultra-pure water and other forms of purified water from ReAgent, contact us today